Did you know that nearly 70% of lottery winners lose their wealth within a few years? Why? Because wealth isn't just about money, it's about mindset and strategy. Today, we're diving into 10 life-changing questions you need to ask yourself if you want to be wealthy. These aren't surface-level questions. They're the deep, reflective ones that separate financial success from failure. Ready to transform your mindset? Let's get started. Hello everyone, and welcome to Inspire Canal Media, your go-to channel for personal development, where we dive into powerful topics designed to unlock your full potential and help you live the life you truly deserve. If you're looking to elevate your life, sharpen your skills, or find that extra bit of motivation to brighten your day, you're in the right place. Wealth is one of the most misunderstood concepts. Most people think it's all about working harder, but the truth is, wealth begins in the mind. In this video, we'll explore the 10 questions that can shape your path to financial freedom. By the end of this, you'll not only have clarity, but actionable steps to start building wealth today. Before we dive into the questions, let's talk about what's holding most people back from wealth. Number 1. Lack of financial literacy. Most of us were never taught how to manage money effectively. Number 2. Limiting beliefs. Phrases like "money is the root of all evil" can subconsciously sabotage your success. Number 3. Fear of failure. Many people never take the first step toward wealth because they're afraid of losing what little they have. These challenges are real, but they're also solvable. That's where today's questions come in. They'll help you identify and overcome these barriers. Question 1. What does wealth mean to you? Wealth isn't just about money. It's about freedom, security, and impact. What does it mean to you? Defining this is your first step. Question 2. Are you living below your means? Smart people understand that it's not about how much you earn, but how much you keep. Are you spending less than you earn? The problem is not how much you are getting, but how much you are spending and investing. Question 3. Do you have a clear vision for your financial future? Wealthy people are intentional. They know what they want and have a plan to get there. Do you? Start having a clear plan for your finances today by budgeting. Question 4. Are you investing in yourself? Your skills and knowledge are your greatest assets. When was the last time you invested in your growth? Investing in yourself is your greatest asset for the future. Today, you can lose everything, but with the knowledge and skills you gained, you can get yourself back on track. Question 5. Are you making your money work for you? Wealthy individuals leverage their income through investments. Are you learning how to invest wisely? Don't always work for money. You should not become the slave of your money. However, let your money work for you by investing it wisely. Question 6. Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? Your network influences your net worth. Are the people around you pushing you to grow or holding you back? In his book titled Think and Grow Rich and Big, Napoleon Hill advises to be surrounded by a group of great-minded. These are people you look up to and will help you grow. Question 7. Do you have multiple income streams? Relying on a single source of income is risky. What steps are you taking to diversify your earnings? If you are an employee and only relying on your salary as your unique source of income, you may think of adding extra income streams like investing in stock, starting a small business. Question 8. Are you solving problems for others? Wealth often comes from adding value to others. What problem can you solve for the world? If you want to improve your finances today, start by becoming a problem solver and then start to monetize your service. Question 9. Are you managing your time effectively? Time is the one resource we all have equally. Are you using it wisely to work toward your goals? I have made a video on time management, and the link is the description. This will help to manage your time and delegate less important tasks. Question 10. Are you taking action or just dreaming? Dreams without action remain dreams. What step can you take today to move closer to wealth? It is true that everything starts with a dream, but don't stay in a dream. Make it happen by taking action. Here's the game changer. Wealth isn't accidental, it's intentional. Answering these questions honestly and acting on them is the key to transforming your life. Imagine looking back years from now and seeing how these small shifts led to massive financial freedom. It's possible, and it starts today. Let's quickly recap the 10 questions to ask yourself if you want to be wealthy. Question 1. What does wealth mean to you? Question 2. Are you living below your means? Question 3. Do you have a clear vision for your financial future? Question 4. Are you investing in yourself? Question 5. Are you making your money work for you? Question 6. Are you surrounding yourself with the right people? Question 7. Do you have multiple income streams? Question 8. Are you solving problems for others? Question 9. Are you managing your time effectively? Question 10. Are you taking action or just dreaming? These aren't just questions. They're tools to design a life of financial abundance. Now it's your turn. Which question resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If this video gives you clarity or motivation, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more content on personal growth and financial success. Remember, wealth isn't just about money. It's about living a life of purpose, freedom, and impact. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.